Hello, my name is Armani, and I, along with my team consisting of Karan Delone, Sarim Zia, and Matthew Lee, have created PostureML. Now, we know, especially in current times, especially with the pandemic, working from home has just become the new norm now. So we created PostureML with specifically that in mind. So PostureML is a web application that monitors the user's posture once it's turned on. It uses machine learning to determine where and how the user needs to fix their position by sending them text-to-speech audio reminders. It also implements statistics based off the user's posture and presents to them at the end of their session, as you will see coming up. So this is just our landing page. It tells you a little bit about how we started, what PostureML does, and why you should use PostureML. And now on to the main event. So as you can see, we have a navigation bar at the top, just to take you to the most important places on the website. And in the center, you have the video stream coming from the user's webcam. Now, this video stream is mostly just for the user to see their posture. It doesn't actually gather any information at the moment. As soon as we hit the start button, it starts gathering information. Every 10 seconds, it grabs a screenshot and compares it to the model that we have that we created using custom vision. It was using Microsoft Azure's custom vision API. So every time we grab a screenshot, that is every 10 seconds, it sends the screenshot to be compared to the model, and we get a response back telling us the probability of what the user's posture is. So right now, if I were to hit start and do something like this, in 10 seconds, it should tell me that my posture is bad. Any minute now. There you go. And now if I were to sit straight, it will go away. And that's basically how it works. So now that I press the stop button, and if I were to scroll down a little bit, it would tell me that, hey, you tilted your head one time in the span of that entire session. And this chart was basically made using Google Charts. So now for some of the future implementations and ideas on what we had with PostureML. So the first most important thing to us would be customization, especially in 2021. We know that a lot of people like to customize their content. So we would ideally implement something like that, which would have options like dark mode, light mode, or maybe even changing the chime from text to speech to maybe something else that is a little softer. We would also like to have more samples in our model, just because of the pandemic, we weren't able to gather too many samples, which kind of narrowed down the ability of our model. We would also like to have a desktop app, if possible, in the future, along with hardware to accompany that. And lastly, we would like to have more stats for the user to see, just so that they can have more of a handle and a better understanding of things like their posture, obviously, as well as how long they spend at the computer or at their desk. So this is our project. We would like to thank you for checking out PostureML, and we hope that you use it as well. Thank you, stay safe, and